Toxic childhood creates anxious and critical mind. You didn't become anxious or self-critical by accident. You were trained that way long before you had the words to describe it. A toxic childhood doesn't always mean chaos. Sometimes it's the quiet absence of safety. It's the parent who only loved you when you performed, or the silence after you cried. Your brain, as a child, was a sponge, constantly asking, "What do I need to be to stay safe and loved?" Every answer became part of your default mind settings, shaping how you see yourself and the world. If you learned love must be earned, your mind wrote that into your code. If emotions led to rejection, your brain suppressed them before you even felt them. You became an adult who apologizes for existing, overthinks every word, and confuses chaos with connection. Not because you're broken, but because your default mode network was wired for survival, not joy. Your brain adapted perfectly to an imperfect environment. It did what it was supposed to do, protect you. But protection has a price. Those early patterns can run on autopilot for decades, shaping your life. Healing isn't about hating your past, it's about recognizing the code it left behind and deciding to rewrite it. That's where neuro-linguistic programming and conscious awareness come in. When you name the pattern, you weaken it. When you speak to your mind with compassion, the old code begins to break apart. Neuroplasticity takes over, mapping new pathways built on safety instead of fear. You are not your conditioning. You are the architect of what comes next. Your childhood wrote the first draft of your mind, but you hold the pen now. If this resonates with you, subscribe to Mind Architect for deeper insights into healing and rewiring your mind. Your story isn't over, it's just waiting for you to rewrite it.